So what's up, guys? I'm just chilling and still trekking along here. I-80 East. I did pass Yuma, and of course I passed Gila Bend, I believe it is. Gila Bend, I believe that's what it's called. But we have about an hour and 40 minutes left until we get to Tucson, TUS 2. But we have like 50 minutes before we get to I-10 East. We're in some rocky terrain right now. As you guys can see, the terrain has changed drastically. But I wanted to tell you guys why I haven't made videos in a minute. And the reason why is because I just kind of didn't want to put, well, I really didn't want to put repetitive content out as far as, you know, the scenery. I basically go from Arizona, Phoenix to Southern California most of the time. Like, I want to say 95% of the time. Every now and then I'll get a Phoenix to Vegas run, and or I'll get like a Phoenix to LA to San Diego run, or a run like this. So that's one of the reasons. The other reason is I've been down lately mentally, so because of the pandemic and stuff like that, and I wouldn't really call it a pandemic now, but when it was, you know, really deep and everything was closed, there was nothing to do. I mean, I don't go out much, but I at least wanted an option of something to do. And that's really it. So now that things are kind of getting back to normal, you know, we have the state fair coming up and the county fair and stuff like that. I can find events to attend and go out and actually do some things. Prior to this pandemic, I was looking to do a lot of those things, and it ended up shutting down the state fair and the county fair and stuff like that. So, you know, but I'm looking forward to it now. Now that things are kind of lightened up, so we're all good on that front. Switching topics, I actually bought a new drone. I no longer have my Mavic Pro that you guys may have seen in some of my older videos, although those were all testing videos, like just test flight videos. I actually purchased, I was gonna get the Mavic Pro 2 or the Mavic 2 Pro, but that drone is about $1,800. It was that one or the, I would say the choices was that one, or I had been looking at the Air 2S, so the little brother to the Mavic Pro 2 or Mavic 2 Pro. I decided I decided to buy the DJI Air 2S, and I'm gonna give you guys a little video of the ActiveTrack. I think that's what it's called. So take a look. What's going on, everybody? Milwaukee Buck here. The time now is 3:25 p.m. As you can see by the sign, we're gonna get on the ramp to Tucson, I-10 East. That is in about 2 minutes. We have about an hour and 10 minutes till we get to Tucson. We shall reach Tucson at 4:30 p.m. About 4:30, yeah, seems about right. Just been trucking along.
In half a mile, use any lane to take exit 178A for I-10 East toward Tucson.
So, as you guys can see, it's starting to rain. Still on the I-10 East. We have about 40 minutes or miles to go. There was some serious clouds up there. Unfortunately, I can't use cruise control anymore since it's raining. So I can only go 62 from now until it stops raining. But I gotta turn on the defroster so it won't start fogging up the windshield. I just felt the blast of hot air. I don't know, for some reason it always seems to rain like this going down to Tucson. Like, it's super bright and sunny, and then off in the distance there's looks like a big storm cell. It's kind of crazy. I didn't expect it to rain, but hopefully it's not raining once we get to our final destination. I'm not scared of rain. I just don't like to sit in the trucks, at least in the driver's seat, soaking wet per se. I actually do have some raincoats in there, so I can put that on, so we'll see. But anyway, we're making progress, and fuel's looking pretty good, so looks like we can make it all the way to Phoenix once we pick up our trailer on a half tank of diesel, so it looks like I won't have to stop. But I'll let you guys know once we get there or get a little bit closer. So I'll see you then. It's really coming down now. Oh Lord, look at that. I can't even see really. type of rain that you slow down for. Feel like everybody's slowing down. It's getting a little too hot in here. It's a free wash. It's a free truck wash, I can tell you that. That's nice to get a free windshield and truck wash. It's gonna clear up just like that. Watch. It's starting to slow down a little bit. We're crossing Kutaro Road. What a stark difference, huh? I still can't use cruise control though. But I told you guys it's gonna start to slow down. Now it may start up again. It is starting to get brighter. You can see the sun to the right. Southwestern weather. Unpredictable. I just wanted to show you guys. Now we got sprinkles. Watch, look at the windshield. Got some debris on the road too, but we're just entering Tucson. Yeah. Gotta slow down here, of course. Get over it. So, we have about 20 minutes to go. Those just out of the blue notifications just throw me off, but we have 20 minutes to go, and we have to get off on Valencia Road. I'm pretty sure I've been to this Amazon. I just won't know until I get there. We definitely don't do a lot of Phoenix to Tucson runs. It's usually Phoenix to I was gonna say Los Angeles, and then from Los Angeles or so to either to Tucson or from Los Angeles to San Diego, which is kind of what I just did or am doing, and then from San Diego to Tucson. So for some reason, no direct Phoenix to Tucson Amazon runs for some reason, but whatever. It's starting to rain again. Go figure.